told you about Agrexco and the Carmel brand and the system for sorting various herbs from Israel in these cardboard boxes. The input line, the belt curve, they're from a nice spiral curve, and the top loader here. Then we go onto the sorting line with a takeoff to the final point on both the left and right hand side. This was installed in 2006 with 8,000 sorting operations per hour. Fresh Direct is an internet company, and you can order things to be sent or even brought to your home. You can see things being sorted by hand here, apples, vegetables. We've now installed 8 sorters with Flash Direct. These are small ones, low speed ones, because of the manual loading. Vedcon Social Integrator, we've installed 3 centres, two in Johannesburg and one in Durban, and here Interroll parts, large parcels. The material flow is concentrated, as you see, and then goes through a top loader onto the vertical sorting section. So here too, this Crossbelt sorter can sort parcels without any problem. You can see the quality. Not all of the parcels are necessarily of a good quality. And here you get a good, on this shot you get a good idea of the different sorts of parcels. Let's go on to Denmark for the next example. Unilever, as system integrator, has produced things for Soya. They are an electronic parts supplier, cables, cable drums, welded parts, and other. We have modules here. You see a 2-into-1 merge with a drive plant. Then we have the merged package going to the sorter with a scanner, so that the sorter knows where to offload each parcel, and they are then ejected into the final chute. This is the longest line sorter that we produce, with a length of 85 metres. That's not the maximum we could do, it was simply the constraint of the length of the building. You can see on that final shot how long that hall is. The next example, Home Shopping Europe HSE24. Mr. Apple, this is a competitor of yours. Schaefer, as a system integrator, or installed a plant for handling returns. The boxes come in, they're registered, the returned articles are unpacked, and here that's sent off to a sorter through an Interroll curve belt and emerge. And here you see the sorter. Remember, these are returned articles, and the company would like to see all those chutes entirely empty, because every return is expensive. The Swiss Postal Service, I've already told you. Swiss Post Office uses Interroll for all its sorting. Siemens is a system integrator here, and we provided sorters for the 3 new big logistics centres used in Switzerland, which is the most modern in Europe, probably the most modern in the world. This is a question of tray sorting here. The speed of the sorter 1.7 meters per second, and the throughput is 10,000 sorting operations per hour. Here you can see we use cross-loading. The packets come in longitudinally, but we then rearrange them and feed them longitudinally into the final sorting station. Mr. Vogel, we can actually eject each one after the other, not just 2 or 3, but 10,000 of these trays can be sorted out, almost like a machine gun. You can see here this lateral infeed, very, very nice one. Picking is 2 stages here into the parcels out warehouse, and then once again sorted from parcels out to the various destinations.